Have you ever wondered what exactly is a computer? It is just a machine we use to play games or watch videos. In this video, I will explain what a computer really is in the simplest way possible. Let's begin. A computer is an electronic machine. It takes input, processes it, and gives an output. It can also store information for later use. For example, when you type on a keyboard, the computer reads it. That's input. It processes it using its brain, the CPU. Then it shows the results on the screen. That's output. Let's look at the four main parts of a computer. Input devices like a keyboard and mouse. Processing unit, the CPU, it works like the brain. Output devices like the monitor or printer. Storage devices, the hard drives or SSDs to save data. These parts work together to make the computer useful. Computers come in many shapes and sizes. Some common types are desktop computers used at homes, offices, and schools. Laptops, portable and easy to carry. Tablets and smartphones, small but powerful. Servers and supercomputers, used by big companies and scientists. Yes, even your phone is a type of a computer. Computers help us in many ways: writing documents, sending emails, watching videos, designing graphics, solving problems, playing games. They are used in schools, banks, hospitals, and even in space. Let's quickly recap. A computer is an electronic device. It works with input, processing, output, and storage. It's used in almost every part of life. Thanks for watching Digital Dynamo Lab. If you learned something new, hit the like button and subscribe.